The compelling appeal of the Hygge tiny house lies in its masterful condensation of contemporary lifestyle trends, presenting a definitive answer to the widespread craving for both authenticity and ease. By artfully marrying the principles of Scandinavian serenity with the enduring sophistication of mid-century modern MCM aesthetics, this design transcends mere housing. It becomes an extraordinary hideaway that delivers both striking visual drama and profound psychological comfort. The established tiny home movement, already predicated upon a commitment to minimalism and a philosophy of deliberate, conscious living within a restricted physical area, finds its ultimate expression here. When this reduced scale is further imbued with the evocative cultural term from Denmark and Norway, describing a state of deep, convivial well-being attained through appreciating life's modest gifts. The resulting interior is transformed into a cocooning environment that feels inherently safe, warm, and restorative. The entire architectural approach prioritizes the intelligent use of organic textures, softly diffused illumination, and tactile materials to forge this remarkable atmosphere, definitively confirming the notion that genuine fulfillment and deep relaxation are entirely independent of vast square footage. The undeniable magnetism of the cozy mid-century vibes tiny house stems from its seamless integration of two seemingly disparate yet deeply resonant stylistic universes. Mid-century modern, a design powerhouse spanning the decades from the 1930s through the mid-1960s, is historically celebrated for its commitment to structural lucidity, flowing sculptural outlines, and an overriding emphasis on practical utility and democratic design, frequently showcasing premium elements like rich teak wood, fine leather, and glimmering metal accents such as brass, within the spatial constraints of a tiny structure. These MCM hallmarks are cleverly reimagined as integrated cabinetry, highly adaptive and multifunctional furnishings, and open-plan layouts strategically engineered to amplify the perception of volume. Crucially, the influential power of the Hygge philosophy serves as an essential counterpoint, preventing the MCM structure from becoming overly austere or cold. Hygge introduces an inviting and vibrant color story, incorporating deep, saturated hues, including terracotta, spicy mustard, and intense ocean blue, which are then layered with extravagantly chunky throw blankets, an abundance of soft scatter cushions, and the inviting glow from statement sculptural MCM light fixtures. This carefully calibrated design duality ensures the residence maintains a veneer of polished elegance and historical integrity, while simultaneously remaining irresistibly warm, genuinely approachable, and undeniably cozy at its very core. The most profound quality of this particular tiny house design resides in its unwavering devotion to the ethos of intentional living. Every single spatial consideration, down to the millimeter, has been executed with careful precision, yet this planning never overshadows the home's inherent warmth or unique personality. Expansive glazing, characteristically featured in both MCM architecture and the tiny home aesthetic,